Hey guys, so I have actually come to Luxembourg for Diwali and I've got about 3 hours to walk around the city. So what I've done is I've put the Clausen walking trail on the maps and I'm just gonna walk around and see the views around the city. So let's go. Well, so I'm told Luxembourg is one of the richest European countries and it's a tax haven. And as you can see, this street that I'm walking on is a really posh looking street. I don't think I've seen anything like it in Netherlands, Belgium, or even, Denmark for that matter. So yeah, I mean, it's very interesting. Like, I only see Gucci, Hermes and Louis Vuitton shops and it's all high street, and it's all very palatial also. I think I'm just gonna walk around and then you'll also kind of see for yourself what I'm trying to talk about. Guys, this place is so high street, it's not even funny. Like, on one single street, they've got 3 Hermes stores. Like, can you believe it? Okay, let's turn here. I mean, just look at the colors. And the palace is so grand. I'm just gonna go closer and find out what palace this is. I have to be honest, I don't know where I am. So I'm just gonna try and see if I can go inside this palace over here. It looks breathtaking. Oh my god, I'm loving the colors. So let's see. Okay, so right at the back you see a board introducing this place. It's Domaine de la Foundation. Not sure if I can go further inside, but I'm just gonna quickly take a view of this place. It's breathtaking. It's so pretty. Guys, this is so beautiful. I'm just in love with this place right now. And luckily it's not raining and yeah, I mean, I'm just loving the colors. It's so cool. I honestly think this is probably my first fall experience. So I don't think I've seen these beautiful colors before. And that's what's making the experience a little more amazing for me. Okay, that way. Alright. I'll just walk then. I took that lift down and now I'm almost about to reach Clausen. You can see the fall colors behind me. As I said, it's amazingly beautiful. I'm just gonna take this bridge. I don't think there's anything ahead of me. I'm just gonna turn around because it's a little spooky around here. There's not a single person, just a lot of beautiful trees. Alright, off to the next location. So I am walking towards the Grand Ducal Palace, which is where the Prince Henry of Luxembourg, he lives, and we're gonna see how grand it looks. So this palace is quite at a height. It was just 400 to 600 meters on maps, but because I had to take such beautiful stairs, I'm out of my breath. But it is gorgeous. Honestly, it's amazing. I think this clock tower is kind of like a church. I'm not sure if I can take my camera inside, but let us try. Oh yes, it is a church. I wonder if I can go inside. I think I need to walk a little more from the church to get to the Grand Ducal Palace. I will get there. Yay! I can finally see the palace inside. It does look gorgeous. Worth the walk, I guess. And you know, if people are clicking pictures, it's a great place. And it is. So what you see behind me is the Grand Ducal Palace. Finally. You can see a guard standing right here. It's amazing. Wow, there's also a change of guard happening. So just 200 meters from here is Walls of the Corniche. Looks like a beautiful place. That's what Google tells me. We'll just head there and see how it looks. Also, just in case you guys didn't know, Luxembourg is home to some of the biggest companies in the world. Well, one of them is ArcelorMittal. They have their global headquarters here in Luxembourg, and so does Amazon, Vodafone. Yeah, so these companies are actually big over here. Okay, so this is the Corniche. I think I get to see the city view from here. It already looks beautiful. Oh my god. It is breathtaking. So a few of the people are walking ahead. I think that's a guided group. I'm just gonna follow them because I'm sure they're headed somewhere beautiful. I just asked a girl to take a picture of me and she took such a horrible picture. I think I'm just gonna stick to selfies right now. Sorry guys if my video is a bit shaky. It's a bit of a hilly terrain. So now I'm walking towards the Place Guillaume, which is Luxembourg's largest open space, and I think that is also where the city hall is. And yeah, I will tell you more about the historic importance of that place once I get there. Okay, I think I see that statue in distance. Okay, it's a tiny statue. Doesn't look that grand, to be honest. It kind of makes me get reminded of the mannequin face in Belgium, which is like this tiny little statue in one corner. So now I'm told that this is where the town hall is, and you can also see the Tremont lions on each of the sides. So this is what this place is famous for. They also have the weekly markets over here where you can get amazing fresh fruits, flowers, vegetables and whatnot. Okay, so interesting. It is nice. Well, so now I'm headed towards the Bock Casements. It's like a 21-kilometer tunnel of sorts. I think you can just go from inside the place, and there are a lot of bars and restaurants. But I think I'll understand better once I get there. I think this is the Bock Casements. people are just going down from here. You can walk down and just kind of go check it out. But on the other side from here is the chocolate room. I think I'm a little more interested in that right now. So that's where I am headed. I don't care about the box casements. I care about the chocolate. So I'll see you when I've got the chocolates in my hand. So this is the chocolate room I was talking about. It's heavenly. I think I need to decide what I am going to buy from so many options. It's insane. How can there be so many varieties of chocolate, guys? Just how? So here I am, me and my chocolate. I got this dark mint chocolate. I couldn't decide, to be honest. I'm just gonna go to this other coffee shop also. It's called Oberweis, and it is one of the nicest cafes one must visit in Luxembourg. So let's go check that out. So this is Oberweis. You can see a lot of French macarons and whatnot. Oh my god, this is pretty huge. Damn, why did I buy a chocolate from there? That was fast. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and it would mean a lot to us if you could like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next Friday. Bye.